How to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x00000191 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Microsoft Store error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is reset your Microsoft Store. To do so, press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box, and here execute the command wsreact.exe and press OK. It will clear your Microsoft Store caches. This is the first and initial workaround to clear your Microsoft Store caches. The second workaround is go to Windows Search and type Store Troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on Open. And here click on Advanced and make the check against option Apply Repairs automatically. And click on Next. Let the Windows Store apps complete the troubleshooting process. It will take some time, and follow on-screen instruction to complete the process. Reset an app. Thereafter go to Apps and Features. And here look for Store. And click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Store option and choose Advanced Options. Here scroll down and you will find the option Reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose Repair. Click on Repair. And if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair Microsoft Store not working, then reset Microsoft Store. Choose Reset again and wait for some times. And after resetting, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows Search and type CMD to open command from Windows Run as Administrator mode. Choose Run as Administrator, and in command from Windows, execute the command as Net User Administrator Active Yes. It will activate your administrator account. Press Enter and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Reinstall Microsoft Store. And to do so, first execute DISM tool, system, and SFCS scan now tool. Execute these 3 DISM followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute SFC/scan now and press enter. After that, wait till 100% verification completed. It will scan your system for any corrupted files, and after that restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open Run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type services.msc. Open it. This command will open services windows in your system. In services windows, look for storage services. Look for storage services. Right click on it and first choose a start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it. And after that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. And press apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is Windows Installer Services. Look for Windows Installer Services. Same procedure, right click on it and choose Start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it, otherwise start it. Open its properties, and you can't set its startup type, so close the window. And after that, check whether your Microsoft Store error resolved or not. If not, go to reinstall Microsoft Store. Go to Windows search and open Windows PowerShell, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and here execute the command first. Remove all Microsoft Store related packages. Execute this command in Windows PowerShell. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there and paste it and press enter. After removing, execute the second command to reinstall all your Windows Store apps packages. Now execute this command in same Windows PowerShell windows and press enter. And after that, restart your system and your Microsoft Store error code definitely be resolved. Don't forget to